Today we will be doing session 32 of Word Power Made Easy. In this session, we are going to be learning 10 words which describe the personality of the people. So in this session, we will be learning the meaning of the words, and in the following session, we will see the roots of these words. The first word is convivial. Convivial are people who are very friendly, happy, cheerful, lively, extrovert, gregarious. These people are usually the ones who host parties. They are very friendly. They make the atmosphere lively. For example, Ram was a convivial party host who made everyone feel at home. He was so cheerful and lively that he made everyone feel at home. The next word is indefatigable. It means people who are able to work for a very long time without becoming tired. They are always very energetic, lively, and they have illimitable energy. For example, Ranveer Singh is indefatigable. He is always lively and cheerful at any point of time. The next word is ingenuous. Ingenuous are people who are very frank. They are unable to hide their feelings or thoughts, and they cannot pretend. They are innocent and naive. For example, with his ingenuous sincerity, he captivated his audience because he was so frank and pleasing that he captivated his audience. The next word is perspicacious. This refers to people who are very sharp-minded or have an ability to notice and understand things that are difficult or not obvious. They have minds like steel traps. For example, it was very perspicacious of you to find the cause of the problem so soon. So he was very sharp-minded to have found the solution very quickly. The next word is magnanimous. Magnanimous refers to people who are very generous and forgiving. They forgive any insult or injury. They hold no resentment or revenge. And they are big-hearted. The next word is versatile. Versatile is a quality to do many different things or activities, having many different uses. For example, if a person is good in dancing, singing, composing, writing poetry, teaching, he is versatile. He has many qualities. Versatile can be not only a person but also a thing, something which has many uses or abilities, multiple abilities. The next word is stoical. Stoical is a person who bear their troubles bravely. They do not ask for sympathy. They never show their pain. For example, a person who accepts what happens without complaining. For example, she listened stoically as the guilty verdict was read out. She showed no feeling of trouble or pain and did not ask for sympathy. The next word is intrepid. Intrepid is someone who is fearless, has no fear, brave, adventurous, they are audacious and they do not face any danger or hardship. Then the example is the intrepid kitten walked fearlessly in front of two big dogs. So the kitten was so brave that it was ready to face the two big dogs. The next word is scintillating. Scintillating refers to people who are very clever, amusing, interesting, delightful, and they have a natural talent of being brilliant. For example, a scintillating conversation would break the ice. So like a delightful or interesting conversation would break the ice. The next word is urbane. Urbane refers to people who are very poised, cultivated, socially experienced. They are courteous, that they are at home. They ease the circumstances. So you usually admire these kind of people. So with this we are done with the words. Now are the following exercises. You can pause the video and solve the exercise. You can also make sentences with the words that we have learned today and comment below. You can also comment some of the other words relating to personalities of different kind of people. And with that, we end the session for the day.